Greetings, spiritual teas. Thank you so much. This is part 2, and we're continuing with our conversation.
Sounds very much like the way OG yama ritual lebenye kuyo kuleya party yenu society enjani njani yabo. So now as she's saying this and I'm actually thinking of everything that happened, I'm like, it's very possible vele ukuthi it happened so fast and died out because that was the purpose of it for him to
And
get in
looking
my
at this
pants.
little girl, little 2 weeks, 1
Libo
week.
2 weeks, Libo if someone comes back with a new girl and everyone is just in really, really nice cars and nje opulence nje ongayinoyi eyenzakala laphaya. You know, I'm just like, it's possible. But at the same time, I'm also just like, ugh, what ifs, yabo? So the interview that I had, I was going to have that day. Njengoba ngize ku-baby girl is because I wanted to use her Wi-Fi so that I can, you know, prepare and stuff. Okay, get into the interview, guys. There's interview imnandi girl masiqeda interviewana. Ugeli, she is busy with her. She's got like a little, I think we're 10 months. Umntana khona avuka khale. Now we bonding over being boy moms, and you know, like it was a really, really awesome interview. Ugela Angel was you're the one. I didn't have to wait for an email after. I realized no, you are the one, girl. So please also note ukuthi njengoba si-interview manje, the job is only you're only gonna start the role in March. Like, are you cool with that? I'm cool because unfortunately. So now I'm just happy. I'm with my friend. Oh guys, yeah, I finally got a job. Like we are in high spirits, everything is moja. Okay. Hello December.
Well, let's go get munchies after that, no?
Yes. They go get munchies. I'm still not even in the interview. Now we're chatting like with bosoms. No baby girl, like siya connect kumnandi. They get the munchies, they come back. I'm still within. I finish my interview. I tell them, guys, I got the job. Yay, everyone's celebrating. Life is peachy. Okay, December pele, pelu January. February, these people get back to me on email on some, hey, we're actually gonna move up your start from March to the middle of Feb. Is that cool? I'm like, yes, defo's cool, right? Okay, started the job on a Friday. When I start the job on a Friday, kube training lay or whatever, it's a remote job, so I'm not going to anyone's office or anything like that. Everything is nice. Oh my gosh, I love my new job. Oh my gosh, I love the new people. Ooh, yay, love
Foreign
this
currency.
for myself. Oh yeah, foreign currency as well. Ooh. Okay, sweetheart. This is on Friday, and then I get a call from my friend on Sunday. She's like, Chomi, I had the weirdest dream about you, right? This is my friend who's my friend from high school. She lives in KZN. And it's not even someone that I'm always speaking to every single day on the phone. She's just one of those girls who sizochekana ngaleso sikhathi sichekana ngaso mara masikhuluma kube ngazathi sigcina nizolo kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Girl angitshele nje ukuthi she had some dodgy ass dream about me, and there's a room that we are stuck in that's full of like snakes of all shapes and sizes and colors. And then khona lapho futhi in that dream, apparently someone stole my phone and she can't get a hold of me, and we at the beach nje into eyiningi. You know how dreams have scenes on scenes and things don't make sense, but yabo. Okay, coolly. There's a lady who like uhlahluba amaphupho. She tells you what dreams mean, yabo. So I'm like, no, I'm gonna go see babes on Monday. Hayi ngiye ku-babes Monday. Ngimtshele babes, yazi umngane wami uphuphe into so. Literally, I went there to ask her to decipher what does this dream mean, right? So mangiqeda ukumtshela ugirl ukuthi okay, umngane wami uphuphe so. First thing, baby girl says to me, Auntie, who did you battle with recently? Yabo, it's what, February, manj. The last person I battled was this guy in December, and also because it was a wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Like since I went into your corner, he's not even like in my memory. He's the last person. Recently. I haven't had sex recently. I said, no, please think about it. Take a second. I think about it and take it a second. And I'm like, oh man, it's this random guy. Yabo. So then now I'm giving her the story that I just gave you. I met this guy like this, blah, 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 blah. Then I take out the video and I show her. So this is the house that he was building. Yabo. So as Ugel is watching the video, Ugel atinai lenyoga. ngithi mina nayi le nyoka athi yes look uthwele baby girl, this is the snake over here. Athi him okay, so when you guys were doing the thing, like nina romansana, was there any foreplay? Was it a pleasurable like long, or was it like very quick? It ended as soon as it started. Because the point of the matter was for him to take in yakho. It wasn't about you. It wasn't about building anything. I'm sure when he met you, into yakhe or whatever, imsignalile ukuthi
That's the one.
that it's the one. She's got what we are looking
Nakulokhanya.
for. Go and get her type thing. Athi yabo njengoba futhi uthole umsebenzi baby girl, ungamangali if lo msebenzi wakho uzovela uphele ngendlela ungayi-understand, because look ayilo njengoba athathe lento ayithathile kuwe, like inhlanhla yakho yonke sweetheart izoshabalala, izobe seyisebenzela yena type thing yabo. So then now I'm just like obviously freaked out and I'm scared and I'm just like, okay, can you help me? Like, can you susa it, or can we get my tantla back or whatever it is? She's like, yeah, I can assist you. We can cleanse and we can get your stuff aligned again. Siqinise as well to make sure, like in future, these kind of people don't come your way and they don't do what they want to do, like what this guy did to you. Yeah, so she gives me stuff. What's okay? So in the treatment, this is what you're gonna do for however long you're gonna do it for, type thing. Obviously, I leave now. I'm just feeling all shattered and stuff. And I need to foreign currency because I'm working foreign hours. I went to go see her in the morning. My shift starts at 4. By the time I start my shift, already like me dizzy. I'm just thinking of so many things. It's oh my god, what the fuck, what the fuck. Now
Anxiety of waiting for.
Am I really gonna lose my job, or is this lady being dramatic, or like is it really like how does she even know that this guy did this? Like maybe she's also just reaching because labantu nabo bayathanda ukuthi basikhiphise imali for izinto ey'ngekho, you know, because hayi Monday kusebenzeke kahle, Tuesday kusebenzeke kahle, Thursday kusebenzeke kahle, Friday ngiqale last week Friday, mind you, angithi this week Friday ugirl we-connection ku-interview angithumile i-email athi sweetheart ngicela ukuthi sibe ne-Zoom fast yabo. Hayi nami ngibe-excited with my girl, maybe she wants to check in ukuthi
how's your son? How's my
you know?
son?
Girl, baby girl, athi you're not where everyone else is, basically, and you're not a great fit. And siyabona nje ukuthi angeke nje izihambe mayiduma kanje. So asivele siyistophe khona manje lento, let's not prolong anything for you or for us. It's been real, girl. Thanks, but no thanks. Yabo ngithi mina, what do you mean? Like, we're in training, number one. Number two, I wasn't told ukuthi by this time you need to be on X level, or you know, like what do you mean? Like I was literally confused. Like, what do you mean I'm not a great fit? Yeah, but Atukel, no, like everyone else, ula, wena ula. So angeke sikhona sis, we've seen this before, and we've tried to keep people on board that aren't there, and you're basically just gonna weigh the team down.
And you're not that girl.
You're not that
in
girl.
any show, like you've never been a bottom.
Guys, I've never been a bottom feeder. Like I've never, like guys, ngihlezi ngiwu-top shayela girl, ngihlezi ngiwu-star girl. Because nakhona futhi ngiyayimisela when I do my job, you know, like. So I was just like, where is this coming from? Like, what do you mean? Like, I'm not the one. Like, you're the people that interviewed me in December, telling me that you want me.
You are the one.
In the freaking interview, you were so impressed with me. You were just like, girl,
I don't care about anything else. We want you.
And then I'm like, okay, can't you guys give me another week? Because I feel so like, what do you mean? Like, I was just so confused. Like, what do you mean? She's like, no, this is right. It's okay. So what happens now? Because I've been actively looking for work, as you know, and everyone else that's been trying to offer me stuff, and I've been turning them down. What happens? Athi sorry, sizokubhadala for leave you ulisebenzile, but
bye.
Try elsewhere, girl, grand type thing. It's okay. So what? Do I carry on with my work day today, or do I leave? Athi, it's up to you, baby girl. Uzabona ukuthi yini ofuna ukuyenza elifini. That's okay, thanks. Ngavala i-Zoom call, ngavala i-laptop. The whole weekend. Ngathi okay, lo mama ushilo ukuthi umsebenzi wami uzophela ngendlela engayi-understandi. Look at me now. Look at
ayontswembu logogo yo. Sicela ama-referral.
waphela umsebenzi, guys, waphela umsebenzi. And mind you, I think 2 or so months after I started my treatments with this lady, finding out what this guy's intentions were, bengimbona baby girl, baby boy mangabe ngiya ejimini, like he drive past angibheke asmile, and I'm just like, uze
Taunting
uyasmile,
you.
like uze uyasmile because you
Passively
know
so.
ukuthi, sweetie, I got what you're looking for. I
Got
got
your
what
lights.
you need, you know. So yeah, guys, like ngicela sibe careful elifini, like
You know what Blabba said one time? I think that Ukuthwala as well, and he's like, Ekoko, akukho umthwalo onga-involve.
so also I know ukuthi we are in the era where women have
Liberation.
control over their sexuality, and it's all good and well, guys, but you've got so much more to lose as umuntu wesifazane than umuntu wesilisa.
Yeah.
Like, never mind ukuthi isibeletho sakho is sacred, and you could easily fall pregnant and then your life is over. Not because you've got a child, but because you lose your life whilst giving birth.
Sure.
We also don't realize that
Ew.
childbirth, making it out alive, that's
For,
inhlanhla, guys.
for black women especially.
Inhlanhla leyo nto leyo. Just because people are having so many kids doesn't mean that childbirth is like life
It's
and
a
death,
dangerous
phela, guys.
thing.
Life and death. And then never mind that, like you could be having someone who's sleeping with you because of the same situation that happened with me, where someone is actually just taking your light away. And then obviously is it different izinto, guys. Khona abantu abazolala nabantu abathwele, ugcine manje snail or soney'mpethu or soyagula or so, you know, there's just so much to lose, guys. Like, keep your pants on. Please keep your pants on. Please keep your pants on. Please, yes, guys, it's sexy mnandi, and sometimes uzolahlela umfana ongakwazi nanokufesha. You don't even come, and then you've wasted your sex because wena angithi umzimba uyashisa unjani. So cabanga ke umuntu awuchamanga nokuchama, sekathathe ilight yakho, and mhlambe what if it's a situation where you don't find someone who can assist you, or you go to someone and someone says to you,
go friends.
hey, or you get someone who's going to do a mthwalo that's
Untwalable.
that's undeletable. You can't control alt delete.
Go West Africa.
You understand? Like, guys, please keep your pants on. Like, just fundana abantu besilisa, guys. Like, learn him. Give him ample opportunities to show you the
I
kind
like
of
what
person
the
that
lady
he
also
is.
said to you, Uti. Like, mothola umuntu ngicela
Guys, hamba niyosurveya, hamba niyochecka ukuthi lo muntu lo, are they who they say that they are, or is it a wolf covered in sheep's clothing? Because, guys, we know with life esiphilayo, guys, abantu baphila manga. We already see it on Instagram where people show one facet of their life that's not even real, but behind closed doors, that's real. Like, art imitates life. Like, all of these things are happening because it's a reflection of facts. It's a reflection of the truth. And if someone is really into you, why are you rushing to get into my pants? Are you into me, or are you into what's between my legs? You know? Yes, guys.
Remember, love ain't only between the thighs. No revolution shall happen beyond these thighs.
Guys, nalindaba ukuthi sithanda izinto, sifuna ukuba nabo bhuti abazosinikeza ama-bouquets arepwe ngama-200 and uyazi leyo 200 ukuthi iphuma phi? And some of us don't actually even understand ukuthi these people mabenza lezi zinto abazenzayo, sometimes the money that they're giving to you, it's because bathenga inhlanhla yakho. So this lady, when she was asking me about how things happened with me and this guy, she was like, did he give you any money? I'm like, no, he never gave me any money. She was like, because he gave you money, because then we were going to be able to to be able to get your stuff back. Because a lot of times when they badger you, they are badgering you because it's like a down, not even a down, a commission, basically. Yokuthi mina ngitholi 50 million kuwe mara ngizokunika 5,000 yokuthi thank type thing. So when are you going to be so excited? Oh, lo bhuti lona uyangibheja, but he's actually buying you. He's actually buying you and thanking you for inhlanhla yakho. Ukubhadala ngento engaka mara yena uthole.
It's like, yeah, it's like I'm still spiritually interchanging. It's an energy exchange. Ngithathe into yakho, so thank you for into yakho kind of thing.
And then she was like, that's why she was they were saying ukuthi umuntu ozofika nomuntu omusha asimfuni because Lento yabo ifuna inhlanhla fresh, you need to constantly give it fresh
Oh,
inhlanhla.
the labor.
And
Oh,
once I've given you've taken that inhlanhla,
Umphakathi is labor, guys.
that person is no good to you anymore because you've gotten what they want. Now it's
Out.
next customer, please.
Manje, hey guys, in marriage, how does this thing work now?
But as funny ithwalo, guys, angithi, because khona umuntu ozothwala ngokuthi it's a once off kind of thing. Khona umuntu ozothwala
But
ngokuthi
endlini kwenzakalani?
I
Because
next,
angithi banama-straight. Yo, guys.
I don't know, mhlawumbe inyoka yakhona iya-differentiate ukuthi this is work and this is pleasure. I don't know.
Or endlini
Or
akwenziwa izinto ezikanje.
asazi, because ama-sacrifice, you know. So guys, just be careful, man. Like,
yeah, it's really
asekela
not.
ukuthanda izinto, guys.
Yeah.
Asekela ukuthanda izinto. Yes, asifuna ukuba abo-Bob the Builder, asijole nabafana abangana-next. But sometimes these boys that make it rain, you need to ask yourself ukuthi,
Angithi khona leyo, like the ones nahlaba bafana, like that chelete.
yes,
Ukuthwala.
yes.
Hey, le industry.
I was
I wish I was privy, like, to understand, or okay, how do these things, but I don't want to be the experiment.
I was speaking to this lady, lo Sizile. Like every time I'd come for my treatment, she'd tell me stories of other people who are in the similar situation,
But it's
but
different.
it's a different color or a different tone or a different extent. And she was telling me about this one lady who she's the Mtwalera and she's kind of like a pimp for Nyogayaki. And what she has to do is every weekend she needs to go to Indao, a sport futhi, like nothing upper class nje,
Up.
lezi zinto lezi nje kabo sistine or kabo yabo lama
Get roots.
nje lezi is like us. She needs to go there, and when she gets there and she acts like just a normal woman who's gonna see a table of girls and nje abo umuntu onithandayo, ningichaza kanjani bo babes. And obviously when as a girl you're gonna let your guard down because it's a woman.
Exactly.
You know, and
exactly.
oh, she's just like us, and then she's gonna buy you guys drinks and lure you in, and you're gonna trust her because yeah, it's a woman, she's buying me drinks. It's not like she's gonna take me home and she's gonna wanna me because like icheri, you know. Baby girl, abo umuntu othi no guys, asiphuzeni or whatever. Asambeni, you guys can come over to my place. I really like you guys. I don't have kids or whatever story she spins to them. Bahambe abo girl bayeka by the lady's house. The lady's house is beautiful. And you're obviously comfortable because everyone is girls. You feel safe or whatever. Kanti mangabe shaye i-blackout, izinto zakhona zilala nani.
Oh.
She brings you to the lion's den. That's the saying, right? She brings you to the lion's den. Yenze lento yenu. Ekuseni futhi masenigeza unamava-slap wenu. Wenu nje especially ukuthi yazokuthini sweetie, I got you. Wozani nizogeza? Don't worry, into zokugeza zikhona. Changing attire. We'll go shopping. And you're gonna obviously relax because it's a woman. And oh, she's so nice, this lady.
So is she the client? Yeah, Gogo, or this is a victim?
No, she's a client of Kakoko because now what happened is she's been doing lento that she's doing, right?
So much
and
work.
then there's one weekend where she was unable to bring the snake, what the snake wants, because she had to be in some other part of the country for umsebenzi or something with her family. Snake yabane enga yokuthi, why didn't you bring me my things? Because you have to meet it every weekend. Hey, every weekend you have to give
this,
me
you need to
what I want. Baby girl, mangabe ubuya isnake vele inaleyo ba enga issues. Isnake seyenzani? Seyidla anything and anybody la endlini. Her mother, kushadile lo mama lona. Kuhlala nomama yakhe, husband nabantwana. Everybody in the house yayiketsetsa sweetheart. Ila ithi nje angisabafuni ke labayana basesporting. Sengifuna nina ke manje because baby girl busy manje trying to get assistance from babes ukuthi what can I do?
So can't they go to where they got this thing from?
Sometimes you can go, and then when you go, the person that gave it to you is like tatile. Sometimes you can't go to that person because mhlawumbe umuntu akhona ushonile. Sometimes you can go and the person can help you. Angazi kuhlukile guys, like inama industry yawo lento le, you know.
Yes,
and then she also mentions ukuthi some people are gonna come wanting assistance, and she's just like, I'm sorry, I can't assist you. Like, it is what it is.
How do I date this one?
Guys, please just be careful. Like, it's not worth it. It's really not worth it. Like, it's not.
Yeah. Thanks, Shomi, for sharing your story. we're hoping this would be a beneficial about to people, and yeah, especially like if you're new in the space here, the tours of space, and yeah, bumping into this video, it's yeah, you in the frequency are there, so please do take heed of such things, like she's saying, "Hore, yeah, like it's all nice, we liberated and all of that and all of
Mm.
that." Mara seggz is not a thing to play with,
And remember, this is not limited to men doing this to women. Women do this to men as well. So
mm.
men, you are also not safe. Don't think Uguti bakhona boget
Sugar
who's gonna be a
mamas
sugar mama or who's
also.
gonna be whatever. But they're not there for you. They're there for what you have. They're there for
Yo,
ukukhanya
that we
kwakho.
can
They're
get
there
somebody who's done this
for
as Xoxelo.
ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani.
And aren't you tired? Sounds like so much work.
Yes, ulokhungana ugogo Manzi actually explained to me ukuthi like umsamo wakho, like
Yeah.
as soon as umuntu wesifazane umsamo wakho usesibelethweni sakho. So as soon as you let someone in, if they've got the means, if they've got the connect, they basically can get access to your lineage. If you come from a lineage of course, if you come from a lineage of whatever, guys, like you are basically saying, here, it's yours, take it, do with it what you want. And we don't realize this because in our head it's just morobalo. It's a spiritual thing, guys. It's not just a physical thing. And when
100.
uzolala nomuntu uyitshele futhi ukuthi mina I don't believe in these things, so they're not gonna happen to you. Sweetie, whether you believe in
Or
it or not,
not.
if someone sees the light that you have and they feel like the light that they have is what
It's
their
required.
snake is gonna want to elevate their life,
And it's
they
not
will
just a
take it from
snake. It's,
you.
yeah.
They
The
will
one
take it from
story,
you.
yeah, the one story I heard from this guy, Shem. I hope I be right. There's also traumas. So, but like, there's also animals that you've never seen. Animals you don't think that.
I've been to a party. I've been to a party with a cousin of mine. One of these parties where it's in the north, in those really lavish homes, those kind of vibes where obviously everyone there has money and jegumnandi. So the host of the party, we were sitting with him for like a little bit of time because obviously he needs to go all over the show. Yabo. So I'm just like, wow, this guy, how does he have all of this money? Because the house, top billing see nothing, guys. Because I tell him a movie, lawa are ridiculous. Like not in just Manhattan or something,
Yeah.
you know? So I'm just like, hey, but dude, like, how are you doing this? Like, what do you do? Maybe I can also like change careers or, because Lina, I want to live soft. And this guy's like, do you really want to know? Yeah, but, and I'm like, yeah, because I'm not thinking it's going to be something sinister. Baby boy, akaze, angisazi what North African country he said he went to. But he went to one of these North African countries. Wathola ugogo thizeni ohlala in some desolate part of the country, like the Bundubu. And baby girl was like, okay, you're going to stay here for 7 days. You're not gonna bath, and you're gonna be stuck in this room for 7 days. The creature needs to learn your scent. You need to stay with that creature, and gumnyama akna fastera akna next gumnyama. Whether the creature like awiboni, obviously you're gonna hear it. Maybe it's breathing. You're gonna smell it.
But
You're
you don't
gonna
know what it
feel it.
looks like.
Mhlambe it's furry. And he
Or
was just like,
slimy.
it's very slimy, and it's big from the way it sounds when it's breathing, like it's a beast. It's gonna do whatever it wants to do to you. You're not allowed to scream. You need to be a small gamer. Wathi wayishaya leyo nto leyo for leyo 7 days njengoba seka within. So I don't know if mhlambe iyavuselelwa lento at a later stage or, but guys, people are willing to do absolutely
The world is
anything.
crazy. Yeah.
And also,
And just because I was born or Rasikwa way,
and
that's
just
what I'm
because
always
it
saying,
hasn't
consciously
happened to
there.
you or it hasn't happened to somebody that you
You
know,
know.
because we know these stories, guys. There's no way you don't know somebody or you've heard a story of Omuntu Twele or
When you're
I've heard
thinking it's
so many.
entertainment for radio
I've heard
or
about them so many times on YouTube. I've seen so many, but until it happened to me, I was just like,
so
"Yabo, guys,
remote.
life is real. Life is real, langaphandle, and life is a battle. Kinitwa, guys, bophelo kinitwa." And if awukho ready and if awuzijimanga, uzozithola utshonile emanyaleni entweni
Hundreds.
ongayazi.
100%.
And we need to have these conversations, and people should stop feeling shame. This happened to me. It's not like you woke up one day and you're like, hey,
Sacrifice.
Do you know what I mean?
Sacrifice.
And people that are gonna judge you for it, that's also okay. If you wanna judge me, you would see it was a lapse of judgment on my part. Yes, it was a lapse of judgment on my part, but this is the reality that I am in.
Hundreds.
And I am trying to avoid other people going through it, because I was lucky enough to find somebody who can help me. I was lucky enough the person that did the things with me, the method that they used is one that could be deleted. Do you know what I mean? But just, guys, iban careful.
Hundreds. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do like, please subscribe, please engage with us in the comment section. Share if you don't mind. Share stories if you want to share your stories as well. We can arrange for a thing, we'll make it anonymous if you want to be anonymous.
Keep your pants on.
Keep your pants on.
Boy or girl. Keep your
Zip
pants on.
Hundreds. Thank you so much for tuning in. This was Sacred Connections, IntoMeSee. It's a little bit scary, but thank you. Please like, please subscribe. And yeah, see you guys on the next episode. It will probably be a spiritual one just to balance the energies again. So, and we out.